Remember to follow safety protocols, eye protection, ear protection, and protective clothing. Remember to chock the tires if you are going to engage the air system. The Lite-Check DOT app streamlines the inspection process. It allows DOT, PM, and custom inspections. It gives control of lights, air, ABS, and allows notes and pictures to be taken during the process to accurately document the condition. First, log into the tablet. If the TI is powered on before launching the DOT app, it should connect automatically. If not, press the Bluetooth icon in the upper left corner. Note: the voltage of the tester should not fall below 12 volts. The trailer's lights and ABS system will drain a battery throughout the inspection, and it will not be able to operate below 11.6 volts. Enter the shop location and the work order number. After a trailer has been selected, the inspection type needs to be set. Either select a trailer that's in the system from the drop-down, or if this user account has permission to do so, enter a new trailer into the system. Once Save is pressed, the inspection will begin. For each item, check to make sure it is road ready, and then hit the Good button. If this trailer doesn't have a particular item, click Not Available or NA. If at any time during the inspection a note or a picture of a particular item is needed, click the note icon in the bottom left. In addition to a note, you may also take pictures of the damage. Any pictures or notes you take will show up on the printed report. The trailer interface will automatically check all light circuits, the ABS ECU, and the air system. If you wish to skip the air leak test for any reason, deselect the checkbox. Remember that this will engage the service and emergency air to the trailer, so don't have somebody working under the trailer or working on it at this point. There is no need to wait for these tests to complete. You can continue the visual inspection of the trailer immediately upon hitting the Run Tests button. The automated tests check to make sure there aren't any open or shorts between circuits. It also tests for a PLC signal from the ABS unit. If the trailer is older than 2003, the ABS unit may not broadcast a PLC signal. That's okay. Just make sure that the trailer is marked as No PLC ABS in the cloud system, and it will have to be checked by the inspector manually. Once the ABS test is completed, it will automatically start charging the air system. This only happens if the air leak test is selected. While the air leak is running, continue through the inspection. By the time the inspector gets to the first lights page, they should be close to done with the air leak test. Actuate the lights at this point to make sure they work on the left side. On the first tire page, click on the tire to enter the tread depth and air pressure. Also include the condition of the tire if it's not road ready. Soon the inspector will be underneath the trailer and ready to measure the brake slacks. Click on the axle and then activate service air to measure them. Enter the data and move on to the next axle. The summary page is the last page of the inspection. If the inspector missed anything, they can modify the inspection, correct what they need, and submit. If any of the automatic tests failed, click Modify, then go to Diagnostic mode and retest them by hand to fix them. The Diagnostic mode icon is in the upper right, next to the menu icon. After a report is submitted, the app is ready for another inspection. Thank you for your interest in the Verifier Fleet Management System. Please feel free to visit our website at verifierfleetsolutions.com or by calling 1-800-343-8579 with any questions.